and welcome to another quick _tech tutorial. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to get the old YouTube mobile UI back from 2015. Sadly, this isn't the official YouTube app, but it is a very good recreation of it. So head on over to Safari, Chrome or any browser that you like to use. And as you can see, this is the official GitHub page. It is open source, so you can fork it if you want to. But we're just going to head over to this link right here, which I'm going to put in the description. But if you want to manually type it, it is ytm15.github.io. They're currently working a lot on this page, so in the meantime you just press here. It is currently on the beta stage, so there are some features that are missing and bugs. But as you can see, here's the old home page. It is kind of buggy, as you can see. Some videos somehow have 0 views and others have the right view count. But search thankfully works, which is a very common problem on the older YouTube versions. So I'm gonna search up the classic. Oh, it's nice that he still uploads the Minecraft videos. The cool thing is that the channel pages actually work, so you can see his videos. You can even sort by oldest even, which is awesome. Playlist works. Also the about page actually works too, which is cool. It's also buggy here, as you can see. The channel says it has 0 subscribers, which is not true at all actually. And the channel banner is also missing. It's just the old default blank channel page, which is the triangles, which is actually kind of cool to look at. Because this was specifically made for Android actually, the watch rate won't load on iOS. It will instead load the default QuickTime player from Apple, which is this one right here. Another thing that doesn't work, since it requires sign-in, is the liking and the subscribe function. As you can see, when I press subscribe, nothing really happens because I haven't signed in on the app, and currently there is no way to sign in on the app, so maybe it will come in the future update, I'm not sure, so that's another thing to watch out for. But yeah, apart from that, this is actually a very cool project which is currently on the works. Now if you wanted to use this website more like an app, you can press the share button, which is down here. You can just press add to home screen, rename it to YouTube, and there you go. Hope you liked the video, and I see you on the next one. Bye bye.